All right, so if you've created a PDF in Adobe Illustrator, let me show you how to add links to images, graphics, icons, logos, text, and more. It's really easy. So here's a PDF that I created, and as you can see, I can click anywhere on this image, this text. I can even click this icon, and we could add it to a logo. It really doesn't matter. If you have an element that you've created in Adobe Illustrator, we can make it so that we add a hyperlink, and just by clicking it like so, we'll be able to open up directly in our browser. And it saves people either having to copy and paste your link, or worse, trying to search for you on Google because they couldn't get there easily. So I've got my document open in Adobe Illustrator, and this is the last page of a PDF that I've created. And hide my guides here. All we want to do is go to Window, down to Attributes, and right down here you'll see Image Map. So we can select any element that we want. It can be this logo over here, it can be this image, text, anything that you want to add a link to. So let's start here with YouTube. I do not want to have people copy and paste or search for me. I'd rather just make sure that this icon can be clicked, or this text. And the easiest way to do that is to go over to Image Map, and we're going to select Rectangle. Now I've looked into the option of using a polygon image map instead of a rectangular one, and in all of my tests it made no difference. You may as well just use rectangle. I can't tell the difference. So with my YouTube channel open here, I'm just gonna open this. I'm gonna copy it with Command C, which is Control C on a PC. Go back into Illustrator, and now I can just Command V or Control V on a PC, hit enter to paste it. And just like that, if we save this now, if I simply reopen my PDF and I scroll to that last page, now you'll see that there is a link here, and I can select anywhere on any of this text or this icon, and I can click it. In preview, it asks me if I do want to open that, and I just say yes. And as you can see, it opens the link easily. Now, just to take it one step further, I'm going to show you how Illustrator and Adobe are imagining where you can click. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make an odd shape. Let's go with a star. I'm going to draw it here. Let's just make it a weird color so it's really obvious. And I'll put one right next to it. I'm going to go Image Map, Rectangle. I'm going to paste that same link I had before and hit enter. And this time I'll do an Image Map, Polygon, paste the same link, hit enter. Now I'm just going to save this and reopen it. So right now I have it open in preview for Mac. And if we go over here, you will see that the hover is already started. So basically anywhere in this square will start to add a link. It's not directly on the element itself. Now if we use the polygon, as you can see from all of my testing, it's basically the exact same thing. I'm going to open this in Adobe Acrobat as well. So again, it works the same. You can come over here and click the link, then click allow, and we'll open. And you can also see that the hover status is basically that full rectangle, or in this case square, all the way around it. And that is, it is activating even in this sort of empty space. Just to really help you visualize what Adobe is seeing as the clickable region, inside Acrobat I can click Edit. I can go down here to More, go to Link, and go Add or Edit Link. And now it'll show you the current links. And you can really see, as I'll zoom in, that this is exactly where that link is drawn. And you can see where they are drawn on everything else as well. And that's it. It's really easy to add a link in Adobe Illustrator to basically anything you want. And hopefully you'll actually be able to get people to go where you want, so they're not copying and pasting links and they're not searching for it in Google, because anything that takes them one more step or one more click is less and less chance that they'll actually do it. So it's that easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do hit subscribe. Please do like, comment, and let me know if you knew how to do this. And we'll see you in the next one.